YouTube. This is Mickey Shreve reporting, showing you how bad the weather here is tonight in Ohio. It is stormy. Shit. Like, literally, look at this. Okay, you can't hardly see it, but okay. Now that we're close, like, look. Look how deep this is. You can, like, shove your foot down there. Fool. Lock in my house. This is insane. Oh, shit. I should not be doing this. Like, look at this. This is fucking insane, bro. Okay. Here's my house. So I will catch you guys later.